Hey everyone. So, picture this. You start a YouTube channel, post your first video, and just a few months later you have over 2.2 million views and 60,000 subscribers. That's exactly what happened with this new channel I'm sharing with you here. Now it has 13 videos and is monetized, all in less than 7 months. Impressive, right? Today, I'm here to show you how to create a similar kind of video using AI in 5 simple steps. Perfect for a faceless YouTube channel. Ready? Let's dive into this beginner-friendly tutorial. We need to create a unique story. We'll use ChatGPT for this. And yes, the free version works just fine. The example story I shared was about an African princess, so we'll stick with a historical theme. Let's use ruby bridges as our topic. First, I asked ChatGPT if it knew about ruby bridges, and it provided some background info that matched my research. Then, I asked it to write a short, engaging, age-appropriate story for kids aged 3 to 9. If you're not satisfied with the results it gives you, then ask for more stories until you find the perfect one. For our tutorial, we'll create a historical story about a little girl who changed history. Ask ChatGPT to write an animated story for an 8-minute video, ensuring the narrative style is friendly and engaging. You can also ask for AI prompts to generate 16:9 images for each scene, making it easier to visualize your story once you get to that step. Once you have your story, check it on Copyscape to make sure it is completely original. For this example, I'll use the Playground AI image generator, but you can use whichever image generator you prefer, such as Night Cafe, Midjourney, or something else. That's your choice. I'll leave the link for a few image generators in the video description below for you if you're looking for one to use. Head to the Playground homepage, or whatever AI you're using, and start a new project with a 16:9 aspect ratio in landscape orientation. Now copy the image prompts you created inside ChatGPT for your video, one at a time. And then paste them into Playground and generate your images. Repeat this process for all prompts until you have all the images you need for your video. Now we need to create the voiceover. We'll use 11 Labs for this. You could use their free version, but a paid plan is required for commercial use. Just copy the story prompts from ChatGPT and paste them into 11 Labs. Then select your preferred voice and generate your voiceover. Download it and give it a name for easy access so you can find it later. Now we're going to combine all these parts in Canva. Canva is versatile and user-friendly. And yes, you can use the free version to make videos. Just drag and drop your images, voiceover files, and other story pieces into the timeline. Align your animation and voiceover perfectly. And add royalty-free music from the YouTube audio library to enhance your video. Then export your video from Canva using the default options. One great thing about these kinds of videos is that they're not just entertaining but educational too. If you want your story to be longer or shorter, just ask ChatGPT for more or fewer image prompts and a longer or shorter script. Plus, you can always make these changes yourself. Lastly, let's create a thumbnail in Canva. You can choose a template or start from scratch. I'll use one of the generated photos as the background and then add text to it. Once you're done, download your thumbnail and you're good to go. Here are a few tips to help prepare and build your YouTube channel. Try to create and post at least one video a week on your channel. More is better if you can sustain that consistently. Use tools like vidIQ to optimize your titles, keywords, and descriptions, so your videos have a better chance turning up in the top searches. Finally, once you meet YouTube's minimum standards, apply for the partner program to start earning money from ads on your videos. And that's it. In just 5 steps, you've created an engaging, educational, and potentially profitable YouTube video using AI and other tools. So why wait? Dive in, unleash your creativity, and let the magic of AI art take you on a journey you'll never forget. I hope you found this video helpful. Whether you're an aspiring artist, a beginner, or a seasoned pro, Mix It with AI is here to guide you every step of the way on your creative journey as we make art with AI. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share our videos with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching.